This is the video you have all been waiting for. Our blush duos are back with an upgrade. I know, you're speechless. Our brand new Jordana Ticia Blush Duos that everyone has been waiting for. You were so mad at me when I discontinued the old ones, but do you understand now? Do you understand why you needed a little glow? This is the most perfect thing we have ever created. I'm buzzing for this launch. So these are our brand new JTC Blush Duos, same concept. Green blush and a powder blush to get that perfect, soft focus, beautiful blush finish, which is super long wearing because you're layering two products, but in the most beautiful packaging that I have ever laid eyes on, and with upgraded formulas. So let's introduce you to these and talk through them a little bit because they are something else. So these are our blush duos. You can buy them individually like this, and they're bloody magnetic. Imagine this in your makeup bag. I just can't deal with it. So inside we have our upgraded, highly elevated formulas. We've got a beautiful cream, has a really blendable, super pigmented formula to it. Just blends onto the face like an absolute dream. You don't have to think about blending it out. It's just so easy. Your brush and the formula does all the work for you. But I think that using a cream blush on its own is beautiful, but you're not going to get the most long wearing finish out of it. So we then have a powder blush, the matching shade on the bottom, but this has had another upgrade. It's not matte anymore. It's not super duper flat on the face. We wanted to be able to add a little bit more dimension to the skin, so it has a very soft pearl throughout it to add more dimension, stop the cheek looking flat, and just make everything more elevated and more lifted. And there are 6 shades that we are so proud of for every single skin tone, each in their own unique colorway. I'm obsessed. Doesn't that look like a macaroon? And they are all in our custom Jordana Ticia packaging. I have never seen something so beautiful, and I'm so proud of these. I feel like they are elevating the brand. I keep saying elevating, but this really is all about elevation this year with JTC. Have you ever seen anything like this? These are perfect for on-the-go travel essentials. I always like to do because we always include a little mirror so that you can do your makeup on the go and travel very easily with the products. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on these. They're going to blow your mind. If you thought the old formula was good, you're going to be obsessed. So this is not a relaunch. This is an absolute glow up. And I know people have been angry at me for discontinuing the old ones. Believe me, I see the comments on every live, when are the blush duos back? And I think they just speak for themselves as to why the old ones had to go. She doesn't look so cute anymore, does she, when you're looking at it compared to this? You can collect and connect your blushes, and you can even customize them. Take the powder off one, powder off the other, and the lid off another to create your own unique stack. Looking at this, it's so JTC coded and everything that I've wanted to put into the brand and put out to you guys. And I feel like finally, after 10 years of owning the brand, we have got our own JTC core look. I'm so proud of them, and I can't wait. I've said that 64 times. I can't wait for you guys to get them, but I actually truly can't wait for the day that these launch and get to people's houses, because I think people are going to be shooketh. This is my most exciting launch to date. Duos were one of my favourite products to ever develop, and now that we've made them even 10 times better than they already were, it just feels like everything's finally come together, which I'm so happy about. And as always, these have been developed with you guys in mind, and this launch would not be possible without all of you guys in our community. Whether you've shopped with us or just interacted with a post, has helped us get to this point where we are today, where we can do custom molds and bring out really unique packaging. So this is just the beginning of launches like this. I am beyond obsessed. They just couldn't look any better, and they couldn't perform any better on the face. It's not just about the cute packaging. I know I keep harping on about how gorgeous the packaging is, but it's always what's inside the packaging at JTC. As a makeup artist myself, you have to have products that perform top tier, and let me tell you, these are top tier. JTC Blush Duos launching October the 10th. See you on the live, I cannot wait.